ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 19, Display Comments. Comments can be set to display permanently. The Review tab is used to manipulate the comments. The workbook comments should still be open from last lesson. If not, open it. Display the Review tab, which I've got clicked here, and in the Comments group, click Show Comments. Now what we're being told is there are no comments in this file, which is true. These have been set up as notes rather than comments. So, to rectify that, let's click on Notes, Convert to Comments, Convert all notes, and now we can see all the comments displayed on the right hand side of the screen. If we click the Show Comments button again, it will hide all the comments. To show the comments in turn, the Next or Previous buttons are used. Click in cell A1, click the Next Comment button. This displays the comment in D7 in edit mode. Use the Next and Previous buttons to scroll from comment to comment, and then Previous. In some cases, an information message is displayed when the end or beginning of the workbook is reached. Click OK if this message is displayed. The rest of this lesson refers to showing and hiding individual comments. Now I'm using Office 365, and in this version of Excel I have been unable to find these particular features. Assuming you're on Office 2013 or 2016, then the general idea is if you right-click on a cell, one of the options will be Hide Comment. If I right-click here, I don't see Hide Comment. And for example, if D7 is clicked, if you select the button which will be called Show/Hide Comment, then in that case, once selected, that particular comment will be permanently displayed until hidden. And that same button would also hide a displayed comment. Okay, I hope that's made some sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we'll be discussing creating, editing and deleting comments. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.